Back again. So we've done the first page and we've let the glue dry. So let's have a look. We need that bit, that bit, and that bit. That bit, and that bit, probably that bit, and it looks like probably that bit, and that bit, and some wooden bits. Oh, hang on. How did I miss that bit? Right. These two go together. Like that. Okay. That's going to go on. It's got to be. Oh, butterfingers, Grandad. I'll have to go and get that bit off the floor in a minute. But that bit obviously goes on there. These bits. I reckon that goes on there, and the little knobbly bit goes in that hole. Let's squeeze that together a little bit, and then it will fit. Yeah. Oh, a bit of wire fell out. And that bit is going to go there. That needs to slide in and out, which it does. That's going to go on there and click in place. Cool, that's a... Okay, that's that one. Where did that other bit go that had dropped on the floor? Over there. And that bit. This one. Come on. Okay, so we have steering. Oh dear me, Grandad. What's going on? So we have steering. And that bit is down through that hole. That and that got to go in there. there is not a clear picture. That appears to go like that. Okay. Let's work on that a bit, because that doesn't want to go in there. No, that can't be right. I'm looking at that wrong entirely. That bit goes... That bit goes on there. Oh, I was looking at that totally wrong. That connects onto there. So this bit really, does that just go into that big hole? That's going to make for very sloppy steering. That seems a bit tight to me. Should we get a couple of batteries and put them in there just to see whether that'll actually turn? I'm surprised. I would have thought that was too tight. It's certainly turning. Well, that on-off switch is not a very good idea. And it works, but okay, so that part of it works. Where were we up to? I'll just drop the steering rod again. Right, so we need this piece, this piece, this piece, that piece, that piece, and that piece. And that piece, and that piece. Okay, can we work that out? Right, blue time. We're supposed to wait for it to dry. That is going to be down through there. And that is going to go on there, with that through the middle of it. This bit is going to go down through there. So probably do that. That is going to go over there. There. That is going to go on there. Got a bit of a leak around the bottom of the cap. Right, this hasn't finished drying yet. I'm supposed to leave it to dry. That's going to go over there. And then that goes up under there to hold it in place. So we're going to have to glue it in place now. I'm going to have to get a bit close to that because I can't squeeze that in. Right, we'll leave them to dry now. Just give you a bit of a close-up of it. Oh, that's dropped out. Yeah, we need to let that dry. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.